Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are discussing exercise 11.1 of our textbook. Okay, so here we are discussing the textbook Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended Textbook, in which today we are discussing chapter 11 Pythagoras Theorem and Similar Shape, exercise 11.1. Let's begin. For all the questions in the exercise, give your final answer correct to three significant figures where appropriate. Find the length of the hypotenuse in each of the following triangles. Okay, let's begin now. So here you can see a triangle. I hope everyone knows what is a Pythagoras theorem. So here we are applying Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. Okay, so opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse, right? So our Pythagoras theorem says that c square equal to a square plus b square, right? Where c is the hypotenuse. Okay, a and b you can take other two sides. So here c is the hypotenuse. So here for this triangle, hypotenuse means opposite of 90 degree, that is this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square. So we have to take x square equal to other two sides square you have to take. So 6 square plus 8 square. So x square is this one. So x will be square root of 6 square plus 8 square. Okay, if you have calculator, you can use the calculator and directly find the answer. But if you don't have calculator, if it is non-calculator question, what you have to do? Square root of 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 you will get 100. So we'll get square root of 100. Square root of 100 is same as 10. So 10, all the dimensions are in centimeter. So the answer is 10 centimeter. So just 10 is also fine because we have x is, here we have x centimeter. So x will be 10. So here no need of centimeter. So just x is equal to 10 is enough. Okay. So question number B. Okay, so here this angle is 90 degree. Opposite of 90 degree will be hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse, here they didn't mark anything, so you can just take any letter. So hypotenuse square, so that is hypotenuse square equal to 6 square plus 12 square. So we have 6 square plus 12 square. So x square equal to 6 square is 36 plus 12 square. 12 square is 144. So just add them. So that is x square equal to, we have 180. Okay, so x is equal to square root of 180. So just use your calculator because here they have given your final answer must be in three significant figure, right? So three significant figure means square root of 180 same as, you will get actually 13.41640,786 you will get. So we need only four significant figures. So 13.4. So the unit is centimeter. Okay, so next one, opposite of 90 degrees h. So opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse, that is h here. So you can take h square equal to, add the squares of other two, that is 2.3 square plus 1.2 square. We are using Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, so h will be equal to square root of 2.3 square plus 1.2 square. You can directly use your calculator to find the value of h. So square root of 2.3 square plus 1.2 square, you will get 2.594224354. Okay, so we need only three significant figure. So round and write in three significant figure. So 2.59. This, the next number is less than 5, so you can just neglect those numbers. So 2.59 is the answer. No need to write the unit because h, we are replacing h, we are finding the value of h, so the answer will be 2.59 only. H is equal to 2.59. Okay, then question D. In the same way, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, or hypotenuse square is equal to take the sum of other two sides square. Okay, so here opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. So take p square equal to 1.5 square plus 0.6 square. Okay, so p will be equal to square root of 1.5 square plus 0.6 square. Okay, so use the calculator. Square root of 1.5 square plus 0.6 square. So you will get 1.61554, like that you will get. I will write the complete answer here. So if you have a one more question as a B part or something for the same triangle, if you have B part and all, just write at least 5 or 6 digit here. Then only round and write in 3 significant figures. I will explain to you where necessary. Okay, so 1.615549442. So here we need to round and write in 3 significant figure, right? We need only 3 figures, but the next number is 5 or more than 5 means you have to add 1. Okay, so we will add 1 here, so 1 will become 2, so the answer will be 1.62. So the value of p is 1.62. So here this side will become p is 1.62, so this side will become 1.62 centimeter. Okay, so next one, opposite of 90 degrees t meter. So use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square, that is opposite of 90 degrees t. So hypotenuse square is t square equal to 6 square plus 4 square. Okay, I hope you know the Pythagoras theorem. So opposite of 90 degree, that is C, that is hypotenuse. Other two sides are A and B. You can take anything as A and B. This one A and this one B, no problem. One must be A and the other must be B. So Pythagoras theorem says that C square is equal to A square plus B square. So T will be is equal to square root of 6 square plus 4 square. So 6 square is 36 and 4 square is 16. So square root of 6 square plus 4 square will become square root of 2 square root of 13. So press SD and change to decimal. So you will get 7.2111025551. So round and write it in 3 significant figure. Okay, so you will get 7.21. So this side will become t meter, so 7.21 meter. Okay, I hope the first part is clear for you. This is the basic question from exercise 11.1. Okay, so we'll move to the